So in this case, now you cannot apply that two blocks in parallel. So you'll have to shift this takeoff point first. So now if you want to shift this takeoff point, then you'll have to add one more block of 1 by b over here. Because here see what is the output here, say it is x. So if you are adding 1 by b, hmm, see now this block b is here. See after this is a block diagram, right? So you have
Yes, sir.
theta x, which is the input, so that will get multiplied by b. So after b it will be theta x b, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now if you are adding here 1 by b, so theta x b into 1 by b, so that will be theta x, which is nothing but this takeoff. Hmm. So
Yes, sir.
you cannot alter this. This has to remain same. So since you are shifting this over here, this will be multiplied by b, theta x b, and then you will have to add a block of 1 by b in order to cancel this b. Now you can
Yes,
add,
sir.
now you can reduce these two blocks in parallel. So that is, this is a and b, and it's a negative feedback. So a upon 1 plus ab. If you have practiced
Yes, sir.
a upon 1 plus ab, so a is nothing but b, 1 plus ab. So a is b and b is b upon 1 plus g. So
Yes, sir.
you can now reduce this. So now this whole thing will go, and instead of this, now this block will go. See, after this diagram, then after this diagram.
Yes, sir.
So now this whole thing will go, and instead of this, we are using this b upon 1 plus bg. So now these two blocks, they are in series. So since they are in series, it will get multiplied. So this will become now ab, isn't it? Upon 1
Yes,
plus
sir.
bc. This block will become ab upon 1 plus bg. Fine. Now these
Yes,
two
sir.
blocks will be in parallel. Fine. And that's
Yes, sir.
again negative feedback. So again, now
Yes, sir.
this ab upon 1 plus bg, this whole thing will be a, and this will be b. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So again, a upon 1 plus ab. So you will get this. And then finally, your transfer function will reduce to this. AB
Yes, sir.
upon 1 plus bg, and so you can try this.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Now that day I had told you this one, isn't it? So
Yes, sir. I didn't do it, but
you did it.
no, no,
Uh,
I forgot to do it.
Acha, no problem. See now, see for the test, no, out of this only unit test, out of this only I will ask one question. 30
From these two
marks
sums.
missing. Unit test one.
Yes, sir. From these two sums only you will ask.
Sorry.
From these two sums you will ask.
Huh.
Okay, sir.
So now here construct a block diagram that combines following set of equations. Hmm. But you have to solve it properly. Use,
Okay, sir.
because this is actually not from the student's point of view. This is just I have prepared
Okay.
for teachers' point of view. So teachers will understand. For
Okay, okay.
students, it is slightly different.
Okay.
So now in this, the question is this: construct a block diagram that combines following set of equations. So this is given. This is given. Now in earlier case, so far whatever we discussed here, this was given. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Here, here this diagram was given, and from this diagram we prepared the initial block diagram, and then we reduced it. Correct. See,
Yes,
everything
sir.
there is a twist everywhere. First was only spring mass, then this
Yes.
was your spring mass damping. So this is given, and the question is derive the transfer function using block diagram method. So here from this, initially we prepared this, and finally we got this. And over
Yes,
here,
sir.
this is given, and it was asked to reduce. Now here, question, these four equations are given. Alright, so now W is equal to x minus y. So we will first prepare the initial block diagram. We'll try to fit this equation in block diagram. So how to do that? So let us start with this one summing point. Okay, so this is positive
Okay.
and this is negative. We'll assume this as x and this as y. Forget about this. Forget about this.
Okay, sir.
Only concentrate on this much portion. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about this. So
Okay.
now output of this summing point will be x minus y. Do you agree? And
Yes, sir.
yeah, and we'll call this as w. So we will, since this is given. So first set of equation is done. So this is w is equal to x minus y. So this particular diagram satisfies this equation. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we'll try to solve this. V is equal to w minus z. So now this signal is w, correct? This signal is w, which is
Yes, sir.
positive. So we will have one more summing point, and we will have one more feedback signal, that is z, that is negative, and then we will say v is equal to, obviously this is w and this is z, w minus z. All right. So we are done
Yes,
with
sir.
the second equation also. V is equal to w minus z. Under, if it is not clear,
Yes.
please ask. Huh? Now, now
No, I
here we
understood that,
have
sir.
now here we have output signal as V. Okay, V. Now let us see this third equation. Z into S plus 6 is equal to V into S plus 2. This is S for Singapore. S for Singapore.
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as, Z is equal to V into S plus 2 upon S plus 6. You can take this
Yes,
bracket over here. This is into, so we will get divided S plus 2 upon S plus 6.
yes, sir.
I repeat, Z, this equation can be written as Z is equal to V into S plus 2 upon S plus 6.
Yes, sir.
That
Got it.
means, uh, that means we have to multiply this V by S plus 2 upon S plus 6. So I will use a block of function S plus 2 upon S plus 6. So now here the signal is V. So V is S plus 2 upon S plus 6. So now here the
Yes, sir.
output signal is Z. So now this satisfies this third equation also, this block diagram. Alright.
But
So
W
now,
is also there,
yeah.
na?
Sorry.
But it's W minus Z, na?
See here V is equal to W minus Z. So W is here. So W minus Z, V is equal to W minus Z. So this is satisfying this second equation. Now third equation we are
Yeah.
writing is Z is equal to V into S plus 2 upon S plus 6. You can take a piece of notebook and pen and you can write it. Z is equal to V into S plus 2 upon 6. Now over here, forget about now W minus Z. Over here you
Okay.
have V.
Okay.
Just remember now, over here you have
Okay.
V, isn't it?
Okay. Got it. Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so as that V will get multiplied and at the output we will write it as Z. So Z is equal to
Yes, sir.
V
Okay.
S plus 2 upon S plus 6. Huh? You can
Okay,
do
sir.
as you can, if you want you can write it roughly.
Yeah. Got it, sir. Got
Shall
it.
I go ahead? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here you have Z. Hmm. Now here we will factorize this is S square plus 6S plus 8.
Yes,
So
sir.
this factor will be S plus 4 and S plus 2, correct? No, 4 twos are
Yes, sir.
8 and 4 plus 2 6.
Yes, sir.
This is 6 into S. So
Yeah. Yeah.
this can be written as Y into S plus 2 into S plus 4. So this can be written as Y into S plus 2 into S plus 4 is equal to Z.
Yes, sir.
Alright. So now we will write y is equal to z into 1 upon s plus 2 and s plus 4.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Uh, so
Yes,
we
sir.
will write y at 1 minute.
Hello.
Yeah. So now this can be written as y. This last equation can be written as y is equal to z into 1 upon s
S
plus
plus
2.
2 into S plus 4.
Correct. Now over here you have z, isn't it? And at the
Yes, sir.
output we will write as y. So z will
Yes, sir.
get multiplied by this. Alright. Now
Yes, sir.
here we want, so here we got now y, isn't it? So now we
Yes,
have
sir.
to complete the loop. So now we can take this output as a takeoff and we will give it here, isn't it? In the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now and similarly you can this z w minus z. So z is the output that can be taken from here and will be given here. So you can consider a block of one transfer function here if you want. That is for
Yes,
the
sir.
unity feedback. That is for the unity feedback. That is not going to affect the system. So now from the given set of equation you have prepared this block diagram and then further you have to reduce it. Uh, So now how to reduce this? Now see you have a takeoff here, isn't it? And you have a
Yes,
summing
sir.
point here. So first you will have to solve this. So how to solve this? You assume a block of 1. uh, so now this and this becomes in parallel, isn't it? So A upon
Yes, sir.
1 plus AB plus because this is a negative feedback. Correct. So A that is S plus A is this and B is
हाँ
1.
सर
S plus 2 upon S plus 6 divided by 1 plus AB. So you will get this S plus 2 upon you can do it.
yes sir
Are you doing
sir
it
I didn't
or
understand about the unity function.
unity? Now see unity function will not affect the transfer function. Now we in order to solve this, isn't it? See we have now this summing point and this takeoff point, isn't it? So in order to solve this we are taking one unity block here in parallel to this.
Okay, okay, okay.
So you are considering this as a block diagram, isn't it? block of
Hello.
transfer function 1 here. Yeah,
Okay.
so the value of A is s plus 2 upon s plus 6 and value of B is 1.
Okay. Okay.
So, so whenever you have such cases, otherwise you cannot reduce this.
Okay. But sir, how do you understand what you have to reduce it to?
See, you have to solve from this. Always solve from inside and go outside.
Okay.
Here, this is the innermost loop. Earlier case also, innermost loop. So once you practice for class this sums, no, you will understand how to go
Okay.
about.
Okay.
So now how many we have done? See now this one, then this is second, then this was third, and this is fourth. Yeah? So slowly
Yes.
you will get a grip now. Hmm. So a upon 1 plus ab you will get this. That is s plus 2 upon s plus 6 divided by 1 plus 1 into s plus 2 upon s plus 6. Hmm.
Yes.
बराबर है यही आ रहा है mentally can you do this or if you want to do on a
Uh,
notebook you can do on the notebook also you can do it quickly a upon 1
sir,
plus
I don't
ab
have a notebook. I'm actually not at home. That is why.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ but can you do mentally a upon 1
Ah,
plus
yes, sir. Wait,
plus
I'll do.
ab
Yeah.
s जिससे देखो ए न्यूमरेटर में a that is s plus 2 upon s
Yes.
plus 6 divided by denominator में 1 plus ab so 1 plus 1
Ah,
into
yes, sir.
s
One
plus
plus
2 upon s
A.
plus 6
Yes, I got it.
so उसका एलसीएम आएगा s plus 6 करेक्ट ना so
Yes.
s plus
Ah.
so finally denominator में you will get s plus 6 plus s
Ah.
plus 2 isn't it and that s
Yes.
plus 6 and s plus 6
वो
will
कट हो
get
जाएगा.
cancelled so you will get
हाँ.
cut हो जाएगा so you will get this then now
Yes.
this will disappear this summing point will go correct this will also this
Yes.
takeoff is also gone instead of this you have this okay and then very adjacent to this you have this block okay so 1 upon s plus 2 1 upon s into s plus 4 all right so
Yes, sir.
now these two will get multiplied correct no
Yes. हाँ.
yeah these two will get multiplied now once it gets multiplied you will get this now this whole thing is reduced to this and you have one summing point here and y is here so you consider a unity block one here that is this. Hmm? Either you do it today itself or tomorrow itself,
Yes.
otherwise you will forget. You understood this? After
Sir,
multiplication, you will get
I
this.
didn't get one point.
Uh,
Sir, the between V is equal to W minus Z, and that part went away because of the takeoff.
yeah, see this here we have applied one rule, two blocks in parallel. Then this and this is
Okay.
multiplied, isn't it? Now this whole thing
हाँ.
will disappear, and instead of that, only one block will come. That is nothing but this. 1 upon 2 into s plus 4 the whole square. This every
Okay.
instead of this. Now with this you add one block of unity feedback. That is this from
Okay.
here to here. One. So now
Okay.
this
Wow.
and this will become in parallel. Okay. Then again you apply
Yes.
rules for the parallel block. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Do it tomorrow itself so that you know.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is done then. This all we have discussed. Now this is slightly difficult. Multiple input and multiple output. So we will have two more questions on multiple input and multiple output.
Okay, sir.
Multiple input means what? You have more than one input, and multiple output means you have more than one output. Now consider this now here, this diagram. How many inputs you have? See, this is one input here, and this is
Yes.
one more input here.
Yes.
Alright. And output is one here. That means here you have two inputs and one output.
Yes, sir.
Two in one this and one this, two inputs and one output. Alright.
Yes, sir. Ha.
This is positive signal. This is positive. This is positive. This is negative. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Now, in this case, how do we start? Isn't it? So, how do you start that? First, out of these two input, you have to assume one input as zero,
Okay.
and then find out the output only because of this one input.
Okay, sir.
See, now there are two inputs. So one is RS, DS. Okay. So first, if you assume RS is equal to zero, means you assume RS that this input is zero, and you find out output because of DS. All right.
Yes, sir.
Then you assume this as zero and find out the output only because of this. And now you
Okay.
add both. This is the procedure. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, now let us consider this how to go. Hmm? So that means our output will be, suppose if we call this as Vs, will we will say Vs is equal to Vs1 plus Vs2.
Yes.
So Vs1 is when one input is zero and Vs2 is when other input is right.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see. So first we are considering this as zero. There is no input this.
Yes.
Sorry. And we will consider that as Vs1. Huh?
Okay, sir.
So Vs1 is the output when Rs is zero.
Okay.
When Rs is equal to zero. So this is zero.
Yes,
So
sir.
now there is a summing point here. So this is zero. So we have one positive and one negative signal, isn't it? So
Yes,
this
sir.
negative we can assign this negative we can assign either here or either here, or you can have a block of negative -1. Is this clear? This minus
Yes,
sign
sir.
either you can assign here or you can assign here. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, so now your diagram becomes, you will have this block, this summing point is not there.
Yes.
Instead of that, you are considering this minus 1 ka block, and you have this kt. All right.
Yes.
Then you have this summing point, this ds and k everything. So this whole thing is there. Only this is not there. Instead of that, we are adding minus. Okay.
Yes.
Now, yeah. Now see now, you these two blocks are in series. All right. And
Yes,
this
sir.
-1 we can assign now here. This is positive and this is positive. Had this been not, then this negative signal we would have given here and it would have become positive. Since this is positive signal and you have a negative uh, signal
Yes, sir.
here, this can be assigned here. So this becomes negative, and now these two blocks they are in series, so it can be multiplied straight away. So K1 KT upon AS plus 1.
Yes.
Alright. And then you have this ahead. K2
Yes.
upon BS plus 1. Hmm? And like this. Hmm? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it is simple, no? Now see,
Yeah.
now if you can imagine, now this whole thing has gone. Okay, so you have a takeoff here, and this is one single box, isn't it? So if you remember now, these two blocks becomes in parallel, isn't it? These two blocks are in parallel now
Yes,
with
sir.
negative feedback.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So now you can apply the rule A upon 1 minus No,
One
a
plus AB.
upon 1 plus ab, na,
AB.
because this is
Ah,
negative. No? So a upon, what is the value of a? A is this whole thing. A2 upon
okay.
bs plus 1. And what is the value of b? B is k1 kt upon as plus 1. Alright.
Yes, sir.
So your transfer function will be, now your output is vs1, this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Upon your input is ds, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is equal to this a upon 1 plus ab हो जाएगा, ठीक है? Or we can
Yes.
write uh, vs total output is equal to vrs plus vds, means what? One is, one output is because of this, that time this is 0, and another output is because of this, and that time this is 0, vds. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
थोड़ा मैं आता हूँ.
So now you have to find out the, so this you got one output, okay? Now you have to find out the output when ds is equal to 0, okay?
बट मैं शूज वैसे पहन के आना ही पड़ेगा.
So when ds is
Yes, sir.
equal to 0, so this summing point has gone now, all right?
Yes, sir.
So now this is very simple. Now you have this block and this block in series,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
that will get multiplied. So you will get k1 k2 and as plus 1 a bs plus 1, correct, like this. That is when you make ds, look at this, when you make ds is equal to 0, it will
Yes,
be
sir.
k1 into k2 as plus 1 bs plus 1, all right.
Yes, sir.
Now you have only one block here instead of this, and another block, so this is again two blocks in parallel and
Yes, sir.
negative, so again a upon 1 plus ab, all right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how you will write here? Here it will be Vs2, that is output, hmm,
Yes,
divided
sir.
by Rs, isn't it? Is equal to, or you can write this is Rs and you have one transfer function here, and Vs, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Vs2. So Vs2 is equal to Rs into this, whatever you have got this transfer function. Hmm. So
Yes, sir.
finally you will get Vs is equal to Rs into this k1 k2 upon as plus 1 plus ds into यहाँ पे जो आया था वो. Hmm.
हाँ.
It is very
हाँ.
simple. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh? When you will solve it, no, see you practice the earlier one, that equation wala, then you practice this two
Okay, sir.
sums you practice. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Now this is the last sum. Now here it is two inputs and two outputs. This is the
Yes, sir.
toughest, and this is actually a 20 marks question.
Okay.
Hmm. So what are the two inputs here?
X1 and X2.
X1 and X2.
Yeah.
What are the two outputs?
Y1 and Y2.
Y1 and Y2. Now how to do this, sir? So what is our given problem? So given problem can be written as like this. Okay, that is
Okay.
x1, x2. These are the inputs, and output is y1, y2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In a simple way. Now how we will do this? So slightly tricky it is. So this can be split like this. This can be split like this.
Yes, sir.
Like you are considering both the inputs first, x1 and out x2, but you are cancelling y2, and you are only considering one output, y1.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
and you are assuming y2 as 0.
Okay.
So it can be written as like this: x1 x2 cancel y2, means consider y2 as 0, plus You have both the input, that is x1, x2. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Now here cancel y1 and consider y2 only. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now this, how to solve this, you know this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here how we will solve? In this case, first you will consider x2 as 0 and
Yes, sir.
find out y1 only because of x1,
Okay.
and then consider x1 as 0 and find out y1 only because of x2. So again here you will get two solutions. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Like earlier.
Yes, sir.
Now same thing here also. Hmm. You will find out y2 by considering x2 as 0, consider only x1,
Yes,
and
sir.
second case mein you will consider only x2 and x1 will be 0. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So altogether you will get four cases.
For
That means,
ah.
and that means in total output you will get four
Yes, sir.
cases. Fine. So I have written it like this. See, so total y will be y1. See, this is y11 I have written, correct? So
Yes.
it will be y1 because of x1.
Yes, sir.
See, this is y1 because of x1.
Excellent.
So that will be called as y11.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
And then similarly you will have y1 because of x2. So that will be called as y12. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So that is this y1 because of x1, y1 because of x2, then y2 because of x1 and y2 because of x2.
Yes,
So
sir.
like that, four cases will be there. So y11 is this, y12 is this, y11 is because of x1, y12 is because of x2, y21 is because of x1, y22 is because of x2. Hmm? And this will be the final transfer function. Hmm? Here,
Yes, sir.
uh, here I have shown like now this is only because of we are considering y2 as 0, isn't it? So we are considering only y1. So this is equal to y11 means what? X2 we are ignoring. X2 we are considering 0. So you get this plus here we are considering x1 as 0. We are considering only x2. You understand? This
Yes,
diagram
sir.
we are split into this. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Huh? So this ये जो है ना, this is another problem. Don't mix up this. Huh? Please cancel this. Huh?
Okay, okay.
So don't mix up this. So you you can write down this. Okay. Then after this,
Okay.
uh, you go ahead with this and you will understand. In case if you don't understand, you can ask. Only
Okay,
in
sir.
this, only in this solution, this is different. This is a different actually this is a different problem. So ignore
Okay,
this.
sir.
Otherwise, you will get confused. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that was your block diagram reduction. So first we just saw what are the different control engineering systems, what is control engineering, what is the scope of the control engineering. Hmm? Then
Yes, sir.
we saw basic laws, Newton's laws of motions. Then simultaneous equation method, that is F is equal to ma, that is equal to W by G d square x by dt square. Huh? And
Yes, sir.
that was by simultaneous equation method, how to get the transfer function for spring mass system and spring mass damping system. Okay. You remember no? Two.
Yes, sir.
F, you remember no? F is equal to ma, and that is equal to W. And then
Yes,
we
sir.
saw a block diagram reduction method. Huh? So in
Okay,
that
sir.
we studied different rules of block diagram, and then in block diagram we studied single input, single output, and two inputs, one output, and two inputs and two outputs. Okay, this is what so far we have done. I think you have received all the notes, no? Whatever I have done till now.
Yes,
Just
sir.
check up, huh? I have mailed you.
Yes, sir. So you have sent on mail, na? Ah,
I have mailed you. Up to here, I have mailed. In case, I think,
okay, sir.
just hold on. I will just check the mail. You can see the screen, no? Mail, huh? You can see the screen, no?
Yes, sir.
I will show the mail also. See, see, introduction to control engineering. This I have mailed you.
Okay,
Then
sir.
one lecture, recorded lecture, I have mailed you. Then second
Okay, sir.
also I have mailed you. Means a link. This is the link only, yeah, not the
Yes, sir.
downloaded lecture. Then one is transfer function, and this is mathematical modeling. So whatever we have done so far, na, so three PDF files I have sent. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
I have mailed you. So download it and go through it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
And maybe you will receive intimation about unit test 1, from
Okay,
HOD.
sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, the HOD
So,
is busy about because he has to conduct one subject, but one also lecture has not happened yet.
oh, I see. No, but he takes the lectures. I don't know. I will tell him. Huh?
Okay, so I'll also talk to him.
Huh.
Simulation and
Is
modeling
it that
lecture.
you are not contacting him, or he is not contacting you?
Sir, once I had contacted before, but then the lecture had not happened. Then after that, once or twice I had not contacted.
Simulation and modeling, no? What is he taking?
Yes, sir. Simulation and
Simulation and
modeling.
modeling. Okay, okay. ठीक है. I'll pass the message to him. Huh?
Okay, so
But
I'll also call him now.
yeah, you can call him now after say 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Around 10 o'clock, you can call him. Huh?
Oh, okay, sir.
And
Okay.
if possible now, tomorrow and day after, he is free. So you can have one or two
Okay, sir.
lectures, simulation and modeling.
Okay,
Hmm?
sir. I'll talk to him. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Okay. Thank you and sorry to trouble you. Huh?
No, it's fine, sir. Sorry, there's a lot of disturbance. I was not at home actually. That is.
No problem. I am able to hear you as well as you are able to hear me, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is okay. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.